So we're going to have a look at how we can draw vectors once we've added them together. Okay, so if I have a look at this first one here, I've got the vector 4, 2 added to the vector 1, 3. Remember, we add the top two numbers. So 4 add 1 is going to give me 5. Add the bottom two numbers, so 5 add 2 gives me 3. So I have the vector 5, 5. That's going to be my resultant. Now, you're going to need some space because it's not always going to fit on perfect, so you're going to start somewhere low. But if you're doing it on squared paper, then you've got the ability to go wherever you need to on the grid. So I'm going to start off by drawing this first vector, 4, 2. The 4 tells me 4 to the right because it's positive and 2 up. So I'm going to start here in the bottom corner. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right, 1, 2 up. Okay, and you're going to join that up, obviously with a ruler, please, guys, but it's a bit harder for me on here. So we've got this one. That's going to be my vector A at that point. And then at the end of this point here, I'm going to now start and draw 1, 3. So that's 1 to the right and 3 up. So 1 to the right and 3 up is now this vector here. Okay, and again, we join that up with a ruler. So a nice long straight line. And I'm going to label that one with vector B. And hence this was A plus B, and we know that's 5, 5, so we can check that. Okay, so if I just show you with a different color at that point, if we start again here and I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I do in fact end up there. And so the resultant is that line here, which we would then label with A plus B. Okay, and you can do the same process for the next question. So I'll show you question 2 as well. So again, we're adding the two numbers here. So 6 add negative 2, that's going to give me 4. And then 3 add 2 is going to give me 5. So if we start off with drawing the first one, again, I'm going to start down here. So I want to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then up 3, 1, 2, 3. That gets me to there so that I can join that up, and that is my vector A in this bit. And then I'm going to start again from where I've just finished here, and it's now minus 2, 2. So remember that minus 2 is 2 to the left. So I'm going 1, 2, and then 2 up, 1, 2. So I'm going to finish here and join that one up again with a ruler, please. And that is vector B. And if we show the resultant, so the resultant should have been 4, 5. So if I go back to where I started from, which was here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I do in fact finish here. And so my resultant answer is the red line, which is our A plus B. So hopefully that helps any of you that are stuck on this particular question.